Most people still think backlinks are the biggest ranking signal, which is true for traditional SEO, but in AI search, the thing that matters the most isn't really who links to you, it's how easily AI engines can read your content. And that's why structured data is quickly becoming just as important as those backlinks. Hey, I'm Cassie Clark. I'm a fractional content strategist, CMO of Scheme, and the host of the Found in AI podcast, where I've been breaking down AI search and GEO so that marketers and founders don't get left behind in this new wave of search. So today I'm talking about why structure matters a little bit more in AI search than backlinks. Backlinks are important, but the structure wins out every time. So here is the core idea. AI models don't crawl the web the way Google does. They don't go out looking for your link juice, they're not looking at domain authority, and these models are not looking at page rank signals. So instead they care about clarity. I hate the word clarity, but that's what they care about. And they're caring about format. Is your content easy to extract? If the model can't understand your content, it just simply won't use it, and it doesn't matter how many backlinks you have. So think of this like this. Think of it like this. Traditional SEO needs strong signals from other websites to tell Google, hey, this page is important. AI search needs strong signals from you. So think your structure, your markup, your formatting. So it can go in and understand the information that you give it. All of this starts with schema. Schema markup is basically a labeling, like a way of labeling your content so AI engines know what it's about. So think of it like putting sticky notes on different parts of your website or your blog post saying, hey, this is a definition, or hey, this is an FAQ, or hey, here's the author who wrote this. So when you add in the schema, AI engines don't have to guess. And when the engines don't have to guess, it's way more confident using your content inside of those answers when a user prompts it. So the next piece that's like super important, FAQs. And a lot of brands are still overlooking this, and honestly, it's blowing my mind a little because these models love FAQs. So when you add a clean FAQ section at the bottom of your content, especially with that schema markup, use ChatGPT to write it, that's what I do. It's giving those AI engines like ready-made Q&A blocks. These are often the exact sentences models are using when they're citing sources. So if you want to show up in those answers with a clean citation underneath it, well, just give AI what it's looking for. Give that Q&A ahead of time. Put it on your blog post, give it the schema. So the next part of this is formatting. AI needs structure. It needs headings, clear headings. It needs bullet points. It needs numbered steps, short paragraphs, themed frameworks, clear definitions. And if that sounds familiar, it is exactly what your human readers want too. AI engines love it just as much. So again, AI isn't really ranking you, it's parsing through your content. And if it's poorly formatted content that's hard to parse, they're not going to use it. Just like it's hard for a human to read it, AI is just going to skip it. So when your content is just like one giant wall of text, or the structure is chaotic, or your headings are vague as heck, the model can't confidently extract that information. And it's not going to include it. It's going to pick someone else as the answer because their content is easier to understand, even if that site has fewer backlinks or a lower domain authority. And let's be honest, if you're putting out those wall of text, your actual readers are going to click away too. So this is why structured data is super important for AI search. You're giving AI models like the hooks it needs to latch onto your ideas. So you're creating points of clarity. I hate that word, but that's what you're doing. And you're building a scaffolding inside of your content that the models can actually use. So backlinks told Google you were important. Structured data tells AI engines, hey, I'm useful. And in terms of AI search, the usefulness is going to win out. Hey, so if you want more videos on GEO, AI search visibility, and how to design content that those AI engines are actually going to use, hit subscribe and stick around. I'm going to be talking about this in future videos.